Welcome back to Car Vibe Studio. Today, we're diving into something seriously futuristic, the 2026 Honda Zero Saloon. This is not just another electric sedan. This is Honda rewriting its design language, its engineering philosophy, and honestly, its entire vibe for the EV era. If you thought you knew what a Honda sedan looks like, think again. The 2026 Honda Zero Saloon comes from Honda's new Zero series, and the name stands for going back to zero and building something entirely new from the ground up. Visually, this car looks like it rolled straight out of a concept car showcase. The front end is ultra-low and sharp, with a clean, almost blade-like nose. There's no traditional grille because, of course, it's fully electric. Instead, you get a sleek LED light signature stretching across the front, giving it a high-tech, almost sci-fi presence at night. From the side, the silhouette is dramatic. It's long, wide, and sits low to the ground, giving it a sporty grand tourer stance rather than a typical family sedan look. The roofline flows smoothly into the rear, creating a fastback-style profile. Large aerodynamic wheels and sculpted body panels enhance efficiency while keeping that bold, concept-inspired design alive. Honda clearly wanted this car to feel premium and progressive, and they nailed it. Around back, the lighting theme continues with a full-width LED bar and sharp detailing that makes the rear look just as modern as the front. This is easily one of the most daring designs Honda has ever put into production. Step inside, and the interior feels like a lounge from the future. Honda focused on minimalism and space efficiency. Because it's built on a dedicated EV platform, the floor is flat, which opens up a ton of cabin space. The dashboard is clean and horizontal, featuring a wide digital display setup that integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless layout. Physical buttons are reduced, replaced by touch controls, and voice commands powered by Honda's next-generation software platform. Materials feel upscale, with soft-touch surfaces, sustainable trims, and ambient lighting that changes the mood depending on your drive mode. The seats are slim but supportive, designed to maximize legroom without sacrificing comfort. Rear passengers benefit from generous space thanks to the long wheelbase. This isn't just a commuter car. It feels like a comfortable long-distance cruiser. Technology is where the 2026 Honda Zero Saloon really flexes. It's expected to feature advanced driver assistance systems under the Honda Sensing umbrella, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated emergency braking, and likely enhanced hands-free driving capabilities on certain highways. Over-the-air updates will keep the software fresh, and AI integration aims to personalize the driving experience over time. Think smart navigation, predictive energy management, and seamless smartphone connectivity. Now let's talk performance. While official final specs may vary by market, the Honda Zero Saloon is expected to offer multiple powertrain configurations. A single-motor rear-wheel drive setup will likely serve as the entry model, delivering smooth, instant electric torque, perfect for daily driving. Higher trims are expected to feature dual-motor all-wheel drive, boosting acceleration and providing better traction. Don't be surprised if the 0 to 60 time lands somewhere in the low 5-second range for the AWD version. Battery technology is another key highlight. Honda is focusing on lightweight design and high energy density to maximize range without adding unnecessary weight. Early expectations suggest a driving range in the neighborhood of 300 to 350 miles on a full charge, depending on configuration. Fast charging capability should allow the battery to go from around 10% to 80% in roughly 30 minutes using a DC fast charger. That makes road trips far more practical than older generation EVs. Ride quality is expected to balance comfort and agility, with a low center of gravity thanks to the battery placement. The Zero Saloon should feel planted and stable through corners. Honda's engineers are known for precise steering and well-tuned suspension. So even though this is a futuristic EV, it should still deliver that engaging Honda driving character fans love. Now let's get into pricing. While final US pricing hasn't been officially locked in, industry estimates suggest the 2026 Honda Zero Saloon could start somewhere around the mid-$40,000 range for the base model. Higher trims with dual motors and extended range could push into the low to mid-$50,000 range that positions it competitively against other premium electric sedans while still undercutting some luxury brand rivals. Depending on federal or state EV incentives, buyers could see additional savings, making it an even more attractive option. What makes the 2026 Honda Zero Saloon truly exciting is that it represents a shift. Honda isn't just electrifying an existing sedan. They're building a new identity. It's bold, clean, tech-forward, and clearly aimed at drivers who want something different from the typical EV crowd. If Honda delivers on the promises shown in early previews, the Zero Saloon could become one of the most important electric cars in Honda's modern history. It blends futuristic styling, practical range, strong performance, and smart technology into one seriously compelling package. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2026 Honda Zero Saloon. If you're excited about the future of electric performance sedans, this is definitely one to watch. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to Car Vibe Studio for more next-level car reviews and automotive content.